going on, guys? Back at you again. Another trip to the junkyard. It's early. I got an alert on my LKQ app, and yeah, there's some potential Integra snowflakes. Yeah, so there's two cars there. One's been there for about 4 days. One's there been since yesterday. I got a notification today that there's another one at the Hawkins Point yard, which is about a 45-minute drive for me, so I'm not going to be able to do that today. Hopefully I'll be able to do that tomorrow. So, yeah. So, yeah, I got here and I found the snowflakes. Not sure if I want to keep them. It's a minimal amount. The only one that really bugs me is this guy right here. He's got a lot of rash. A lot of dang. I mean, can always repair it, but I think I'm gonna take my chances looking around the other yard this weekend. I'm gonna hide these in a specific location where I don't think anybody's gonna bother them. So maybe they'll be here when I come back if I need them. What's up, y'all? Back at the junkyard today, down in
oh, I want to do video cameras.
In the
get me in.
Hey,
yeah, I'm back, baby. I'm back. It's Derek. Yeah.
Hey, hold that for me.
All right, I got you, brother.
Up here at the this is the LGBTQ all-inclusive pick your part in famous Baltimore.
Shittamore.
This is usually go to the Edgewood yard in Harford County. Now we're at the Baltimore yard. It's a little shittier. We're gonna go down
I've seen a lot better cars here. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, we've seen some cool shit here.
Yeah. So how long?
Rim hunt again. Yesterday I didn't film it, but I got a spoiler, so I'm gonna make an install video for that. It's pretty simple. We were gonna go down to the Hawkins Point yard, which is on the other side of the infamous Key Bridge.
Which is where we really want to go.
Cause yeah, there was some Integra wheels there that just showed up there yesterday.
Oh, and they know about where you want to go get your motor from, right?
Yeah, that's in Jessup, Maryland.
Yeah, that's where we really want to go.
But yeah, it's starting to rain, and that's like an hour drive, so.
Yeah, no point in that.
So we'll get back to you if we find anything.
There's a GTI. Oh, so we're cutting this?
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, here we are, striking out again. Ain't really shit going on. So now we're just looking for the oddball stuff, like this Saab 9.4. I think it's a 9.3 or 9.5. You know, turbo.
Yeah, turbo. You're nuts. Let's see what we got going on. Oh yeah, a whole bunch of junk.
Tiny little turbo action back here.
Little baby.
Well,
I mean, if you stack 3 of them together, you can just, put them in a line, and then you get boom, big boost.
Yeah, that's like that's that what's that ongoing joke?
Yeah.
Fuck. They got the JDM VTEC solenoids, right?
Yeah.
They're a little bigger. People are like, yo, what's the difference? And they're like, it makes VTEC kick in harder.
Oh, yeah, right, yeah. You stupid motherfucker. Oh, yeah. That was a good one.
VTEC kick in harder.
Yeah, it makes it kick in harder.
It makes it kick in harder.
Yeah, like what? That makes no sense at all, you jackass.
It's the same cam profile.
Yeah, you stupid fuck. Hey, so, you don't mind the cussing on here, do you?
I guess it'll be alright.
Yeah, but we should keep it to the F words.
Yeah.
Not too.
The algorithm don't like it.
The algorithm doesn't like it. Here you go, V6 3.5. Put that in your Honda.
Oh, you good, man?
Man, can you imagine how fast you'd roll with that?
Yeah, right.
It'd probably blow up.
All right, so we'll be back at you when if we find something else.
Yeah, hopefully we do find something decent. We're out. Peace.
So pretty much like normal, we struck out.
That seems to happen a lot.
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it is what it is. I'm kind of only looking for one thing in particular, so it is kind of the odds are very, very low in my favor. I did get lucky yesterday, like I said. I did find a spoiler I'm looking for. Other than that, man, it's
much. That's about it. Still fun to, you know, go out, look around. I enjoy hanging out with my friend Zach here. But we did kind of question if we were gonna go to the other one or not, but that's not gonna happen. So that's dead. But yeah, enjoy the ride and enjoy the fun. Harbor Freight's next, and hopefully we will be seeing you again.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
There you go. Like, subscribe, and comment.
So what's going on, guys? Back at you. This is all part of my big Junkyard compilation I'm gonna be putting out in a week or two. LKQ app came across today, and it's an Electron Blue LX Civic in the Junkyard, but I got a tip that there actually might be a B16 in it. It's got a full SI interior, which, you know, popped up today, and pictures only went up a half hour ago. But these guys tip their buddies off and stuff, and they know when something of value comes in, so they alert people, you know, and they get paid for it, and so they can tip them off. The thing is, most all pictures they post on this app, they always take a picture of under the hood and everything else, and they didn't do that with this car, and I'm keen to believe they did not do that with this car, is because it may very well have a B16 B2 in it. I've seen that happen before, so yeah, I'm on my way there now, and I'll give you a sit rep on you see it and see if it's still there, because if anything, I want the interior out of this car. I want the SI interior really bad. So yeah, I'll let you know when we get there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is that day. And I know I always say today is that day, but today is definitely that day. We found our donor car. Looks like it's pretty whole. Here's the man Chili. He's gonna be helping for this pull. We're gonna try and get this done. It's gonna happen. The only thing is, it's missing distributor. I don't care. I got a brand new one. Seems like somebody was stupid. They didn't know how to pull off this clip. They broke it, but at least the pin's still in it for the VTEC solenoid, so I can fix that. That's no problem. Other than that, this is a 4-door EX. It's only got 147,000 on it. Tree fell on it, so I guarantee it was running when it came in here in some form or fashion. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Well, many days later, lots of effort, and here it is.
Boom.
This is going to become our hopefully 350 horse single cam VTEC D16Y8 build. She looks a little cruddy right now.
Yeah.
This was an automatic, so you can see she's got a flex plate on her. Not a flywheel, but it's all right.
That's easy adjustment.
Yeah, pull that sucker off, put a flywheel in. Now this is a 2000 engine. Now the wiring, my car wiring harness is a OBD2A. This is going to be a OBD2B, but I really don't see it's a lot of issue, because I can swap over a lot of my harness. A lot of the main harness is going to be replaced anyway, and I'm going to be running a Honda, so a Honda will take care of most of that. So next thing we got to do is start pulling some of these accessories off, which will take not even 15 minutes. And yeah, the prize is here. Like, there's light at the end of the rainbow. Now we can finally pull the trigger on this build. We can get this block apart, send the block off to CSS, so I can get my measurements off this crank. That way we can get some bearings, and finally, you know, put the rods on one, and then I can measure for pistons. And yeah, that's all going to be coming up in future videos. I know this has been a crazy Junkyard collab. There's probably a ton of clips in here. Try to keep it as short as I can, but it's here, and this is it. The only thing next is to get a transmission. The transmission in this, the other two vehicles that I was going to pull were just trashed. They wouldn't lock in gear, so I'm not really so worried about that. Transmission's easier to get out than an engine is. Obviously, this actually we came up on this. It had no transmission in it, so half the work
was already taken care of.
So this was an automatic, so it had 200,000 miles on the clock, so I'm feeling, you know, it's a 4-door automatic. I don't think
Family
it was
car.
probably beat on that bad.
Yeah, family car.
Everything came apart pretty easily. There's not a lot of rust on this engine.
I obviously wasn't much help like usual, but hey, I threw my back out at work, so hey, you got to deal with it.
It's all right. Well, this is gonna wrap it up for the pull and pick and build. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you when we start pulling it apart.
Peace. Adios.